Hello, I've come to Brecon today and it's very cold and very windy, but it is a bit sunny, so I thought it'd be a nice day to show you some of the canal. Welcome to Brecon Basin. They do boat hire and dragonfly cruises, which I have actually used before, and it was a lovely trip. I went in July 2022. The season begins in March and finishes at the end of October, and the route includes a pretty canal lock and an aqueduct that carries the canal over the River Usk. And this is how much it costs and how you book. The water does look surprisingly clear. You can see the bottom of the canal. When you've had a lot of boats, you get a lot of sediment coming up from the bottom of the canal. So sometimes it looks quite sort of murky, but at this time of year, before you've had a lot of people out on their narrow boats, it does look really quite clear. Once you get to St. David's Day, you notice daffodils everywhere and they are so pretty. Spring is almost here, so enjoy your day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you soon.